Welcome, guys. This is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today I will be putting together a gift for a special person, and I am going to incorporate 3 items from the Dollar Tree to put that gift together. If you're interested in seeing that, please do stick around. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and take a trip to Dollar Tree and pick up those 3 items. So I wanted to use something instead of your traditional gift basket. I looked on Pinterest and I got some ideas from Pinterest, and I decided I want to pick up a cake plate, one of those cardboard cake plate, and I wanted it to be circle or with scallop edges. So when I went into Dollar Tree at the cake decoration section, I saw this clear plastic decorative cake tray. And this was so gorgeous, much more gorgeous than what I thought about. And they have the scallop edges and as well as intricate diamond cuts within this plate. So this is what I'm going to use, guys. The size is 11 inches. They also had the cardboard cake plates, and that's cute too. It was a little smaller than the 11 inches, and they had a silver side and a white side, so you could alternate or use whatever size. Then I decided I need to get a bag to put it in. And I was undecided on the shrink bag, whether or the regular bags. I've never used shrink bags before, but I was up for the challenge. But I decided, since the regular basket bags were 2 for 1, so you got 2 for the price of 1, I went ahead and took the regular bags. And those bags are 24 by 30 inches. So along with the bag, I said I wanted to incorporate some flowers. So let's go over to the flower section. So my eyes went to these lavender flowers, and these are so gorgeous, guys. So they have the lighter lavender on the petals, and then the inside is a little darker, that darker purple, and then they have the yellow to go with it. And this set of flowers is gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and put that gift together. So let's go ahead on over to my craft table and put that gift together. So this is our plate. The recipient love Avon stuff, so I got a couple Avon stuff for her. So I'm going to add some a candle right here. I put some glue dots on the top of that cover. Then we're going to add the candle like this, just for that focal point. Next up, what I'm going to do is add this little box right here, and it has like some makeup in it, and she loves like the burgundy makeup. So you have some eyeshadow, you have lipstick, fingernail polish, some mascara and eyeliner, and they all like in that plum color. And so we add that, then Amari perfume. So I also got the matching body lotion to go with that. And then I had some additional pout lip, and that's that dark rich burgundy color. So we're gonna add that here. And then I also got some truffles from the Dollar Tree too as well. So we're gonna add that back here somewhere. Let me see if I could move these forwards. Yeah, make that a little tight. We'll add the truffle here. Then I'm going to go ahead and add these shortbread cookies, and also got those from the Dollar Tree. So I think I'm just going to add some glue dots to the bottom of those so it could hold still. And then next, what I'm going to do is add just some of these sprigs of flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree, just to add that touch. And just it's nice that this here just matches, right? And so we're going to just add some sprigs. A little, I think one right there. How's that looking so far, guys? And then I'm just going to add, so I'm just cutting like at least 2 off of there. I count these, they came like 9. So that's nice that it would go a far way. And then I'm going to add another sprig like right here. Squeeze that in here. And that's going to be my little gift. So now what I'm going to do is wrap that in the bag. So what you guys think? How is that looking? So if you guys are new to my channel and you like what you see, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as that bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. So thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on that next video.